Good morning, friends. Today I am making a special video for you all that how you can do joining from online and how you can purchase the product from online. So I am making this video special for you all, and I am sharing my screen over here, and I will show you what is the process to do the online joining and online order, how you can place. You just have to open your Google Chrome, and after opening a Google Chrome, just type over there www.dxneworld.com. I will www.dxneworld. www.dxneworld. When you click on that, you will get this such type of page. After that, you just have to click on this DXN and over here. So on your mobile, if you are doing on your mobile, then you will get like this page, and you have to continue access from mobile site. You have to click on it, and when you click on it, you will get a page of DXN website. And here you can see this is the DXN company website, and you can see over here the three lines are there. When I'm clicking over here, when I click over here, you get such type of 4 options. Online purchase country available. English means your language, you can select what language you want, and here is a login ID, and here is a become a distributor. See here you can see online purchase available country, means you can select the country from where you are, means where you want to purchase the product. See, these are the countries where we have the facilities of online purchasing. So that's a great opportunity for you all, that you can go through this and you can select the country. You think you are from Africa or Nigeria or from any of the country you are there, you have to select the country. Like just like if you are in Nigeria, you have to just click on Nigeria, and when you click on that Nigeria, you will get a second page, where you have to do your logging over there. Just I will show you. Here you can see this is your logging. When you click on logging, you will get this page, and you have to enter the details. Your distributor code means your membership ID, which you have registered with DXN. So see, I will just show you the process. I'm just entering my sponsor ID 9904. And here when you enter your password, you have to enter the secure code also. From this down is there 7918, and you have to click on login. When you click on login, you will get your I have done my logging, and here you can see my every records over there. We can see our records means how many members are there under us, and how that facility is there over here. See, here you can see online purchase available over here. You have to just click here and click on here page where what are the products, the country which we have selected. It is opening, just a minute. See over here, the page is open right now, and you have to select the products whatever you want from this. In India right now we have DXN Rishigano tea, and we have some cookies like this. All the products we have will be showing in that our card, like this Lindsay coffee is there. We have, then we have Cocoji chocolate drink for kids and for adults. It's very good. and we have spiced tea oil in India right now. See, these are the products what we have in India right now, and the products, the country which you will select and from which country you are ordering, the products which are available in your country, you will get our display over here. And you can also select the product over here. Also, you can see, say, product category, food and beverages series are there. You can select the more products we have. We have health food supplement series, personal care series, skin care and cosmetic series also we have. So whatever you want, you can just select on this, like just like I'm selecting personal care service. I will get a page. Second, I will get a page where I just when the network has been error. Got. You will get a second page in personal care series, whatever the products we have available in personal care. So we have shampoos, we have Gano massage oil, we have tea tree cream, we have talcum powder, we have soap, we have Nilitilam hair oil. Like this we have the products in India. So you have to just select the product which you want. Here you can see the DP price. DP means your distributor price. When you get a membership ID, you get the product in the discount price. This is the price which in Indian rupees it is shown over here, 265 rupees. But in your country, in your country, it will be shown in your currency, in country currency. And this you can see over PV and SV. PV and SV means, PV means the points value. Whatever the product you buy, you get some points on it at. And when you maintain 100 points, and so you get the bonus in the next month. And SV, you can see that is the sales value. So this is a system where you can purchase, online purchase you can do. And when you select, just process that, just like this. I'm just showing you. See, I have selected this Gano massage oil. I have added to my cart. Yes, view cart, continue shopping. I have view cart. There you will get showing option of payment mode also. So, and payment mode and shipping address, what you want to put, you can put over there. See, this is my order which I have added in my cart. When you continue shopping or check out, you can see over here my total amount is 3006 rupees. So when I check out, I will get a second page to confirm, for a confirmation of your order. So like this way you get the details. This is my my name, my mobile number, my address, and I have selected my country, state, whatever the details is required. You have to fulfill this, and especially option, special delivery instruction you can enter over here if you want to deliver to some other place. When you click on continue, you get a you will get a new page. On that page you will get options of payment mode, how you want to pay. You can pay to your smart card, debit card, credit card, whatever the cards which are used over there you will get the options. You have to select that and you have to pay them, and after paying that you will get the delivery within 3 to 4 working days. So it's very easy for you all to do this, because right now we have a system that we can do an online purchase and we can get the products to your doorstep because of the COVID-19. Because the COVID-19, where we cannot move outside the home, but we have the facility that we can. Company is giving a facility to you all to get the products to your doorstep and to improve your business and to develop your business also. So this is a very big opportunity, so you can grow through it. And other thing, I will show you one more thing, how to do a joining also. I will share another video for that also, how to do a joining. Till now this is the video which I have shared with you. I will share with you, and so you all please follow this purchase from right now, and share this information to your group also. Thank you.